We are going to create a question on our Google Classroom today. So I'm in my Classworks tab. I'm going to click Create and Question. Now, my question can be whatever I want it to be. So today it's going to be, what is your favorite season and why? Okay. And my instructions for my students are going to be, describe your favorite season and why. Please respond to at least one of your classmates. Okay? Now, I can turn the option for responding to classmates on and off, and it's right here. So students can reply to each other. I can click it so that it's on. And the other option that you have is students editing answers. So this would be if a student posts something that they're allowed to go back and change it. Okay, I'm going to leave that off for this one. I will put a due date in there as August 11th, and my topic will be sample assignments. And then all I have to do is click ask. Okay, and it shows up right here and in my stream. Okay, what's your favorite season and why? There it is. Okay, and all of your answers will show up right here.